Today in this video we are going to make a natural botox cream. Botox is one of the most popular cosmetic treatment. This treatment is used to reduce the fine lines, wrinkles, age spots and skin sagging, which are the signs of aging. So to overcome or delay these signs of aging, we are going to make the natural botox cream using the natural home ingredients. So to make this natural botox cream, we are taking a hibiscus. Hibiscus is also known as a natural botox because it contains that skin tightening and anti-aging benefits. It promotes a natural youthful skin radiance. It has a lot of antioxidants. It even out your skin tone, purifies the skin deep within, and it boosts the moisturization level of the skin. So here I am taking the dried hibiscus petals. You can take a fresh flower also. Absolutely no problem. If you are taking a fresh flowers, then you can take a two flowers. So the second ingredient is flaxseed. Flax seeds are also rich in antioxidants that helps in a skin tightening and prevents a sagging of the skin. Fatty acids present in it keep the skin nourished, hydrated and moisturized. Both these ingredients will do the magic for your skin. So I will assure you, after using it once, you will be very happy, your skin will be very happy. Take a 1 spoon of flax seeds and soak it in a hot water for about 3 to 4 hours, or you can soak it for overnight also. As you can see, the flax seeds soak up the water, and the water consistency looking just like a gel. So put the dried hibiscus petals in it. Now go ahead and blend them together. After blending, it forms a thick paste like this. Now go ahead and strain the mixture. You can use a muslin cloth or you can use a strainer for this. It could be somehow messy, but we can do this much for our skin. After all, we are making a botox cream for our skin. So do it. Add a 2 to 3 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Give it a good mix. Now add a half tablespoon of glycerin. If your skin is too oily, then you can skip it. If your skin is dry, then you can add a glycerin and add a half tablespoon of almond oil. Again mix it well. Now it is looking like a thick creamy texture. So the cream is ready to apply. You can use it daily on your face. Store it in a refrigerator. It lasts up to 1 week in a refrigerator.